Hello from my driveway. So I am not working today. I have today off. If any of you don't know, I am working. I work at a grocery store. And so I am fortunate enough to have a job right now. But today I do not work because I have the day off. So I thought that I would clean. I desperately need to clean my car and my studio. My car is a mess. It's actually very embarrassing that I'm vlogging this, but my car is disgusting. I don't know the last time that I actually vacuumed my car. That's really gross, but actually, you know what? It's been like 3 weeks because I have sand in my car and I went to the beach about a month ago and there is a bunch of sand in my car. So, yeah, that's gross. I'm disgusting. What's that saying that you're the type of person, like your car reflects the type of person you are? I guess disgusting and gross because my car is gross. But, yeah, we're gonna clean. I really need to clean. I have my tea. It's about noonish, 12:15. So I got my bag for my trash. Hopefully there's not a lot of trash in here. I have my cleaner. Oh, I have my window cleaner too. Got my window cleaner. I don't have the vacuum yet. I kind of have to like wheel the vacuum out when I'm ready, but I'm going to kind of wipe everything down and clean it. I have a giant bottle of lotion because I'm constantly washing my hands at work. I need a lot of lotion because my hands are very, very dry. They're like cracking. They're so dry. But this lotion is actually really helping. It's the Trader Joe's lotion. And then I have a heavier duty lotion. What is it called? I think it's called Working Hands that I keep in my locker. But just to give you guys an idea, I just have like jackets. There's 3 jackets. There's a blanket from the beach, which is right there. I have my drawing. I don't know why this is in here. I have a trash can that it's like a square trash can that I'm going to put my litter in so I can put a paper bag in it instead of using a plastic bag for my litter. That's in here still. This is really embarrassing, but I have 3 cups because I'm always drinking tea on my way to work. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the aftermath. Clean seats, clean console, cleaned this. I basically cleaned everything. Clean this I need to like wash because it's stained with coffee. I spilled my coffee. Whoops. But it looks a lot better. And then back here, I need to bring this in. I had like random shoes. Also spilled my coffee. Need to clean that. Oh, there's a straw. And yeah, it looks a lot better. Hello from my office. Now I'm going to tackle this. It is a disaster. I have been working a lot and I haven't been spending my days off cleaning. I have been spending my days off drawing. So my office is looking like a hot mess. Let me just kind of show you. Okay, so, oh boy, this is my desk. It is a mess. I just have like makeup everywhere, toilet paper, didn't run out yet. I need to wash my brushes, just like put everything back. And then over here, this is here because I didn't know where else to put it. This is a just like random pile of coats. This is a blazer that I recently purchased. Well, not recently. I purchased it like 3 weeks ago. That's that. And then this. These are just all my cardboard from my prints that have been coming in the past like week. So this is just all the cardboard that I don't know why I have not recycled yet, that has come from the past month from all the prints that I've been ordering. These came. They look so good. There's this one. There's this one. There's 2 more in here. This one, this is my favorite, and the flower. And there should be, oh, and this one. And that, so those like came, I would say, about a week ago, and I haven't put them anywhere. I need to find like storage. This is the current situation. It's a mess. So I think I'm gonna start with this and then I don't know. Let's do it. So it is actually a little later in the day. I did all that cleaning before work. I am currently driving to work, running late. Luckily, I don't live that far and there's nobody on the road. So I don't actually think I'm going to be late. I think I'm going to be early. My office is clean. However, I didn't vacuum. I do need to vacuum because there is so much cat hair. And I actually need to vacuum the cat tower that I have in there. Because I do have short-haired cats, but guys, they shed. Just not as much as long-haired cat, but they still shed. And their hair gets everywhere. So I do need to vacuum that, but that's kind of the only thing that I didn't do. I also need to figure out, as I was cleaning, I realized that I need to figure out like a storage for my art prints that I have that are just kind of laying in my closet, and I need a better solution. And I don't really know what to do. I don't necessarily want to. What is this guy doing, sir? And I don't necessarily want to stand them upright, because if I stand them upright, they're gonna bend. Unless there was like some mechanism that kept them from not bending. I don't know. So So if anybody has any idea of how to store art prints and artwork, that would be wonderful. Because right now I don't necessarily want to spend $200 on the art drawers that you can. My allergies are really, really bad, which is really unfortunate at this time. And my nose is constantly itching, which I don't really want to be itching my nose at work. Anyways, definitely got sidetracked. But art storage, if anyone has any ideas, please let me know, because I would love to hear them. Because I want to DIY something, preferably. I don't really want to buy anything. But if I have to buy something, then so be it, I have to buy something. But I am going to focus on this road, and I just kind of wanted to pop in and thank you guys for watching this video, hanging out with me while I cleaned. Now you know that I am a disgusting person. Need to work on that. But I will see you guys in a video very soon, and I hope you guys are staying safe, not going stir crazy, finding some creative things to do,